So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer Options. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on the View tab. Then you're going to select Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. And then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you're going to go to your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Now you're going to click on Users and then click on Default. And then once you're on this, you're going to find the desktop folder. You're going to right click on it and then click on Copy. Now we're going to go back again, and then click on Windows. Now we're going to scroll down till we find System32. Scroll down, double click on System32, and now you're going to scroll down and then click on Config, continue, System Profile, continue. And now you're trying to paste in the desktop folder that you copied right now into here. So you're going to right click and then click on Paste. Now you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.